Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة التوبة وجاء المعذرون من الأعراب ليؤذن لهم وقعد الذين كذبوا الله ورسوله سيصيب الذين كفروا منهم عذاب أليم. Translation: And those excuse makers among Bedouins who made excuses came to ask that exemptions may be granted to them, and they who had lied to Allah and His Messenger sat at home without asking permission. A painful punishment will strike on them who disbelieve. As we have seen that there were hypocrites among the people of city of Medina, the same situation was present among the Bedouins as well, who were the villagers. And they also had sincere believers and hypocrites. And sincere believers will be mentioned in the end of this ruku'. And the hypocrites, there are two types that are explained in this ayah, which are mu'azzirun and qa'idun. The first one, mu'azzirun, the scholars differ and they say that whether these people are hypocrites as it appears from the translation, or another possibility that these are the people who were true believers but they could not go with Muslim army at the time of Tabuk, and they had real excuse for which they came to ask the permission. But if they were the hypocrites, then there are two types of hypocrites. One, meaning those who came for permission and they did not want to go, and they came for permission just to show off and to prove that they are with the Muslims. And the other group of hypocrites were those who said that they were Muslims but they never had Iman, and they did not even care about coming and taking permission. When the call for leaving in the path of Allah was made, they did not even bother to come for excuse and just sat in their homes without any remorse or without any excuse. And these people will get the painful punishment in the hereafter. And as mentioned before, if the first group, those who came to ask permission and had genuine excuse, if they were true believers, the painful punishment news will not be for them and only for the hypocrites. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran, connect us with the truthful people, and save us from any hint of hypocrisy. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.